For the MCAT, you have to know why objects show up as certain colors, and we are going to look at what happens whenever we shine white light at an object and it shows up as the color red. And if you like these videos, check out the link in my bio for over 500 pages of images and typed out explanations just like these. White light, like the light you would see from a flashlight or a ceiling light or the sun, contains all of the wavelengths of the visible spectrum. So inside of this beam of light, there is green light, red light, yellow light, orange light, every single wavelength of visible light. Certain molecules and objects absorb some wavelengths, but not all wavelengths. And depending on the wavelength that it absorbs, it's going to show up as a particular color. We know that this object shows up as red whenever we shine this flashlight on it. So when we shine white light at this object, it shows up as red. What this means is that most of the wavelengths that hit this object are being reflected, but it's absorbing a couple, and it's absorbing one particular wavelength more than others. And the wavelength that this object absorbs is green. So the green wavelength from that light does not get reflected, it just gets absorbed by this object. And then all of the other colors got reflected off. And because green is complementary to red, when all of those other wavelengths collide with our eye except for green, then the object is going to show up as red. So when you shine white light at an object, the color that it shows up as is the complementary color to the wavelength that it's absorbing.